Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and we are creating a food forest. That's right. It's going to be a forest of about 30 fruit trees, vegetable gardens. There's going to be a pergola. Come on, follow me. We're going to explain a little bit more. Now over here we didn't have a lot of room, and so we put espaliered fruit trees. Check out the fruit. Check out the apples. The size of those apples are just enormous. Unbelievable. And so we've got Dorset. Those are Dorset apples. We've got Pluot. We've got different varieties of apples, citrus. We've got avocados. Check out the vegetable garden. So we're adding soil to these right now. What we're gonna do, I'll show you a little bit farther. We're gonna actually add drip irrigation lines, and then we're gonna plug in micro sprays to them. It's really cool. When we do the finished video, we'll show you how it all works. But anyway, so that's what's going in the boxes here that were just newly built boxes. We're gonna do Carapia here, and we're gonna do drip irrigation and then Carapia. This is going to be a pergola. We're going to bring DG, decomposed granite, so it's going to completely fill this. And then on the pergola, on the post of the pergola, is going to grow passion vine. So it's going to shade the top with passion vine. So it'll be really cool. You're in here with your table, your chairs, and you get passion vines hanging down. It's going to be really cool. Check out this passion vine flower. Check that out. Isn't that amazing? Don't want to pull it because it's going to be fruit, but really cool thing. We're going to have Carapia throughout here. We have a weeping mulberry. This thing's not going to get real big, but you'll be able to be here in the pergola, and then you'll be able to pick mulberries off. And then fruit trees on the side. We've got another passion fruit. This is going to be on the pergola. Espaliered fig. A couple more apples, and then over here is going to be, here's where the drip irrigation is. So these are going to be little micro sprays. When they turn on, you're going to be able to regulate them, and you're going to be able to move them around to different locations. Over here is going to be a fountain. It's going to be a tranquility fountain, and it's going to just bubble out, and it's just going to be like what we call an infinity fountain. This is a Arbutus marina strawberry tree. This is like the place of sacredness. We've got more fruit trees over here, and then in the very back for a hedge, we're actually going to grow, this is called the Calliandra hemicephalus pink powder puff. It has red flowers that are going to really bring in the hummingbirds and the other pollinators. We want to attract the pollinators so they can do their job with their fruit trees. Here's a pomegranate over here, another Calliandra, apple, peach. Check out these apples. Whoa. Ginormous. They're just amazing. And these are just newly planted. More citrus right here, and then it goes down the line. And then throughout, in the very back, it's got the Calliandras, the pink powder puffs, to bring in the pollinators. Anyway, this is a follow-up video from the one we just made where it was pretty much dirt. The pump we're using for the fountain, it's the Awasa, the Pond Pump 420. So it uses very, very little electricity. In fact, it uses, the electricity it uses is, oh my goodness, it's like 42 watts. It's like a light bulb, an old-fashioned light bulb. Anyway, Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. Just wanted to encourage you that you can do this. You don't have to do anything as elaborate as this. If you don't have a garden yet, do it in a 5-gallon bucket. Put some holes in the bottom. I encourage you to do this, and then eventually, as you want to get healthier, you're going to want to create more of a bigger garden. Then you want to create a food forest eventually. So anyway, Mike with Enviroscape signing off. When you think sustainability and permaculture, think Enviroscape LA.